Have you ever pondered about the mysteries lurking beneath the water's surface during the Mesozoic era? Today we unravel the truth about Nothosaurus, a fascinating marine reptile from this period. Let's dive right in. The Nothosaurus was an intriguing creature that swam through the oceans during the Middle Triassic period, roughly 240 million years ago. With its long neck and tail and sharp, needle-like teeth, it was an adept swimmer and a fearsome predator. Now here's a myth you might have heard. Nothosaurus was a dinosaur. This, however, is a common misconception. While both dinosaurs and Nothosaurus lived millions of years ago, they are not the same. Dinosaurs, contrary to popular belief, were predominantly land-dwelling creatures. The Nothosaurus, on the other hand, was a marine reptile. It spent most of its life in the water, hunting fish and other marine creatures. So the first myth bites the dust. Nothosaurus was a marine reptile, not a dinosaur. Moving on to our second myth, it's time to dive deeper into the world of Nothosaurus. One common misconception that often surfaces is the belief that Nothosaurus could breathe underwater, much like a fish. This, however, is far from the truth. Despite its aquatic lifestyle, Nothosaurus was no fish. Just like today's marine mammals, it had lungs, not gills. This meant that it needed to surface to breathe. Picture a dolphin or a seal gracefully rising to the water surface for a gulp of air before diving back into the depths. This would have been a common sight had you been around during the time of the Nothosaurus. Nothosaurus was, in fact, a reptile. Like all reptiles, it breathed air. Its body was adapted for a life in the water, with a streamlined shape and powerful flippers, but it was no fish. It was a marine reptile, a fascinating blend of terrestrial and aquatic characteristics, a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So let's recap what we've learned today. First, we debunked the myth that Nothosaurus was a dinosaur. It was not. It was a marine reptile, a distant relative of today's lizards and snakes. Then, we tackled the misconception that Nothosaurus could breathe underwater like a fish. As we've seen, this is also not true. Nothosaurus had lungs and needed to surface to breathe, just like modern marine mammals. The Nothosaurus was a creature of the seas, navigating the ancient oceans with grace and agility. It was a part of a diverse and vibrant ecosystem, a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life on Earth. Yet, like all creatures, it was bound by the fundamental rules of biology. It breathed air, not water. And there you have it, two prevalent myths about Nothosaurus debunked. This fascinating creature was indeed a marine reptile that breathed air, much like the dolphins or seals we see today. In our journey to uncover the truths about Nothosaurus, we've debunked some common misconceptions. It's been a fascinating exploration into the realm of ancient marine reptiles, and it's clear that there's always more to learn. Understanding these prehistoric creatures isn't just about dispelling myths, but about appreciating the intricate tapestry of life that once existed. Each fact we uncover is another thread in this richly woven history, and it's essential for us to value the importance of factual information in this quest. The world of paleontology is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and Nothosaurus is just one of its many intriguing inhabitants. So don't stop here. Continue to delve into the depths of this fascinating field. Seek out knowledge, question assumptions, and most importantly, let your curiosity guide you. Remember, the more we learn about these prehistoric marvels, the more we can appreciate the fascinating history of life on Earth. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.